Dear students of PCME 491, that is Manufacturing Process Lab or Metrology Lab, Mechanical Batch 2, 4th sem. You know that the COVID-19 has resulted in schools and colleges all across the world globally. Over 1.2 billion children are out of the classroom at present. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the disruptive rise of the e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platform. Research suggests that online online learning has been shown to increase the retention of information and take less time, meaning the changes coronavirus have caused might be here to stay. Since learning is a give and take, and I think students are not the only ones who gain from the online classroom experience. Teachers also learn valuable and academic lessons from their students when they take the time to notice and stay open to truly hearing the wisdom. Full transparency here. I don't know everything, and sometimes students know more than me than I do in the different areas. Rather than feel threatened that I don't know or afraid to give up control, I take the opportunity to watch, listen, and ask questions when I see something I want to know more about. Much in the same way, I do hope students will also ask me. Learning is a collaborative activity when it is happening at its best through online platform, as like our country in India, and we, that is the you and me, work together each other's strength to build our own challenges and developing our thinkings and problem solving skills also. So the relationship we develop with you all at every stage is one that is to be respected, nurtured, and admired. True inspiration comes when we let down our guards down and let our students in. Frankly speaking, over the years, I have learned more about technology, staying in connected with different colleges as a teaching professional, and in case of online knowledge sharing between the students versus teacher, I can give just a small brief of such online platform apart from Google, that is Skype, Hangout, Junario, I learn in United States, which is based on the iPhone and iPad based. Stack the States, Kahoot, Plickers, and ABCYS, which is mainly based on the graphics. Symbiolope and Partless, Seesaw, Mindomo, Class Dojo, Evernote, definitely Socrative and Edmodo and TeacherKit. These are the online platforms usually taken by the teacher as advantage to teach the students on online platform. Rather than the teaching has always kept me connected to my curiosity. It has challenged me to acknowledge my shortcomings and provided me countless outlets for exploring new logical explanation. And I have so much gratitude for every student of my batch who has played a role in that online experience. Now, coming back to my points, we have covered our online teaching learning since last 2.5 months. The following topics by a constructive regular manner without any drop, even limited classes in the week of Umphan. As per description, I can give you some small brief. That is, our class was started on the 4th week. As per the university released a 13-week schedule, in which we started on the 4th week, that is the 5th April to 11th April. In this duration, we have discussed of the all 6 experiments in our lab within the class of 1 to 7 number serial, that is the 7 classes. And in the 5th week of the university, that is the 12th April to 18th April, again we have covered all 6 experiments briefly with one assignment within the serial number class of 8 to 15, that is only 8 classes. And in the consecutive 6th weeks, that is stands for the 19th April to 25th April, we have discussed with instruments brief, which is required for our all labs, all experiments in the lab, PCME 491 Metrology lab. Instrument briefs is there in the single class 16 serial number, that is one class, because it was affected by the Umphan, and the 7th week of the university schedule, that is the 26th April to 2nd May, it was the 17 to 19 classes are there. There's 3 classes is there, in which we discuss the surface roughness with a test of CT1. And 8th week of the university schedule, which was for the 3rd May to 9th May, we have organized 20 to 22 serial number classes, that is only 3 classes, with the topic of angle measure with sine bar, along with the CT2. And in the 9th week, that is the 10th May to 16th May, again that is a 23 to 25 serial number classes, that is the 3 classes were there. And we have covered the thread measure with 3-wire method along with the CT exam 3. And in the consecutive 10th week, that is the 17th May to 23rd May, we have organized 26 to 27 classes, that is that serial number 26 to 27, that is 2 classes there. And here we have discussed the measuring of gears by gear tooth vernier caliper. And in the consecutive 11th week, that is stands for the 24th May to 30th May, we have discussed bore dia measuring by micrometer, and along with the CT clusters CT4, with serial number classes of 28 to 30, that is 3 classes were there. And the 12th week, that is the 31st May to 6th June, we have discussed the angle measuring by bevel protector, along with the last class test, I think it is CT5 final class test. And the serial number of the classes in this week was 31 to 33, that is 3 classes were there. So we have covered already 9 weeks and 33 classes total. Total 9 tests were also organized, in which PCA1 and PCA2 2 tests were dedicated for the regular candidate, and PCA1 plus PCA2 2 tests were there for the lateral candidate in this 9 test. So this is the small brief, and I can give you the, I should discuss the just little brief of the classes and the schedules and the exams which we have organized or conducted. Just a minute. Discussing about the classroom, this is the SBS Photo Footage GME Batch 2 classes, and you are seeing that the classwork is there. Just you will go through all classes at a glance. PCME 491, all 33 classes, and we have conducted so many exams. So these are the exams we have taken in the marks replied in the Google pages. Four columns there: stream, classwork, people, and marks. We are now in marks. So these are the exam date and exam name, column wise. And just have a scroll. of all total candidates who have scored. Now, this exam has been reflected in the Excel sheet, you know. Batch 2 4th SEM ME 491 session 1120. So these are the exam dates, and have a scroll. Including the lateral students. These are the exam dates, and finally we will go in the class schedule. That is, our class was started, you know, in the 4th week. That is the 5th April to 11th April, I think. This is the 4th week. This is the topics covered of 5th week. This is the 6th week. This is 7th week schedule, 8-week schedule, 9-week schedule. This is 10-week schedule. This is 11-week schedule, and this is 12-week schedule. And 13 is there is nothing to discuss. That's why 13 is blank at present, and we have covered in the 12 final test also. You'll see PCM 491 test final on the date of 3rd June. So these are the summary. This is the summary of the classes in the Google Classroom which we have covered. As most of you attended my regular online classes of PCME 491, that is the Metrology or Manufacturing Process Lab, and appeared all tests conducted during the whole lockdown period. That is 9 tests are there without any interruption in my subject PCME 491. According to order and notice by competent authority of our college, Huldan Technology, as well as the McAulty, released 13 weeks schedule, and I am really overwhelmed with such huge responses and cooperation from your end, prevailed with team work responses, without which my 12 to 14 hours daily basis continuous labor, time, and obviously expenses such as Google Drive storage space buying, approx 200 GB or greater than 200 GB, and unlimited broadband plus laptop or utilities monthly rental basis, etc., to conduct or continue online classes might be meaningless. But your tremendous effort and interest towards my classroom, accompanied with your regular comments, complaints, and communication, propelled me to drive in exploring my limited knowledge and utility resources towards maximization of the knowledge sharing online platforms like Google Classroom. Really thanks to Google for providing such user-friendly platform. Both of you, that is even me, both of us, that is even me, and aware of the fact that we have continued our online classes stipulated hours more than the offline or physical classes as per syllabus. But at the threshold of 12 to 13 weeks, many of you are requesting to declare completion of our online classroom from my end, since we have completed our syllabus with Excel classes supported by ample of online classes test, online class test with revision in such crucial stage from the point of stewards of the resources. So I definitely seek your feedback and remarks of our long-term engagement period since lockdown announced, mentioning your gained outcome and expected outcome which may not be fulfilled, as well as opinion to our online session for the time being for of present semester. So please feel free to express your opinion, which may be very important and useful to me as well as to my higher authority in this concern. Last but not least, if you have any personal doubt, ask me without hesitation through our online classroom. Open for personal clarification, definitely, but sending a same copy to your seer who have been continuing responsibility for such activity for a special knocking as customary in online classroom, even after declaration of leaving classroom officially from your end as per your opinion for ongoing session. Uh, Definitely thanks to your Yosir Alok, a lot of thanks to your Yosir Alok who even missed a regular test to organize your all intimation, and he has assisted me in all respect to bridge up between you all and me for a successful continuation of our online e-classroom by delivering or intimating you in all time to time all my WhatsApp message and mails in spite of scarcity of the resources. So really, he deserves great appreciation. And lastly, thanks to all, and waiting for your valuable reply feedback and further continuation regarding the further continuation of online classes regular basis of my subject to your batch. So thanks to all.